guys, so today, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a Father's Day gift ideas. And first off, I don't think any of you noticed, but this video is going up on Saturday, and I get that Father's Day is tomorrow, but I wanted to do this right, and I needed some B-roll for this video. And I attempted to do this video for Mother's Day, but I didn't film it. So now we're doing it for Father's Day. I needed a Friday video. Sunday is today's Friday when I'm recording this. Sunday is Father's Day, so bam, Father's Day gift ideas. I have in my notebook here a list. And then the first one, your typical gift card. Usually gift cards are given to people because you don't know what to get them, or because you forgot or something. But in my case, my dad, and if you're watching this, hi, and mom, you know it's true, and everybody that shopped for my dad knows, he's very hard to shop for. Don't get offended, daddy, you know it's true. But so there's gift cards, and this could be a Visa gift card like this one is, or it could be a gift card to a store that they shop a lot. That could either be like stereotypical dad stores like Home Depot, if you're in the States, like Lowe's, what other places are there? Like stuff like that, or other stores like where he can buy clothing or shoes or anything of that matter. And then my second item is something handmade. Something handmade is usually a bit more meaningful. Not saying that any of these other gifts aren't, but usually there's more of a connection because they know that you took the time out of your day to make it, or if you didn't make it, you bought it and it looks handmade. And it's just like nice, you know, to give them something that you put effort into making. And then number 3 is a memory. That could be you either making a memory or remembering a memory. And for that one, he knows what this newspaper is, and my brother found these in his room. And as some of you know, my dad was in the Air Force, and this is a paper from where is this from? I think this is from Honduras. And yeah, I'm just gonna put B-roll of the thing. I'm gonna cover his name though, because you only know my first name and you don't have to know my last name, although most of you already know it, but that's not the point. But he played volleyball in the Air Force and he was very good at it, and I'm gonna read to you what it says. It says, Winston blank of Air Force's international volleyball team gets a lot of air as he power strikes between the arms of Gomajagua teacher's defender. He said he also played football and other stuff. I don't have any memories of that, but you know. Number 4, a day with them. That could either be at your house, going out to do something, different things. Let's say if your dad is really into golf, you can plan a day to go golf. If your dad, like my dad, is very into planes, you could plan a day about planes. We don't have that here, and he sees planes every day. So if we lived in the States, we could have gone to like the Air Force Museum or something like that. But since we don't, you know, I think I have footage of when we went to the Air Force Museum. If I have that, I'll put it here. And then number 5, a nice pair of shoes. I was gonna have a box, but don't have the shoes. But those could, some people love a very specific type of shoe. I like a lot of moccasins and dressy shoes, but very boxy dressy shoes. And dad likes tennis shoes because he wears shorts a lot. But he also uses some nicer dress shoes for work and stuff like that. So you can get him a nice pair of either some nice running shoes, or some nice fancier shoes, or if you know that he needs a specific type of shoe, you can get it. Number 6, some candy. My dad likes black licorice and black jelly beans. I searched all over Walgreens, couldn't find any. So I got the next best thing, cherry Twizzlers, because he doesn't like strawberries. And this is very crinkly. But this is new Stay Fresh resealable bag, see back panel. Yeah. And then number 7, a power tool. This is your very stereotypical dad thing. If your dad fixes a lot of stuff, or he just likes having them, which is weird if you don't use them, but anyway. That's usually the go-to present. Oh my god, it's Father's Day, it's his birthday, it's Christmas, or here, it's Three Kings Day, or anniversary or something. A power tool. Can you tell I'm not very handy? A power tool. And that also ties in with the first one. You can get him a Home Depot gift card so he can buy a power tool. Yeah. Number 8, something he actually needs. Okay, so let me think. This is, okay, I don't see anything else that, well, no, I don't see anything else where I could include this, and this isn't actually a Father's Day present. They gave this to him for Christmas, but since it's still in the packaging, I can use that as an example. It is the Butcher Shop barbecue gift set. Contains hot sauce, spice rub, ceramic tray, tongs, and a shaker. It's this thing. And yeah, and something he actually, I guess this could tie into something he actually needs, because my dad is usually the one who grills, but now he's forcing that job on me when I don't want to clean the oven dish, but that's not the point. That's not the point. He's usually the one who grills, and because of that, grill stuff. You can get him a nice grill. That is a very expensive present, but if you have the money, and he's gonna use it, buy a grill. But something he actually needs. If your dad needs a phone cover, a case. If your dad needs a case, if your dad needs some new shirts, if your dad needs some new cologne, a new hairbrush, like a bag, a wallet. Wallets are good because men like wallets. I don't know about that because I use like a card cover. I have a wallet, but it's not about me, it's about the dads. And number 9, go to a movie. I know some dads love going to the movie theater, and we don't go that often as a family, but we go often enough. And usually it's all together. So this could be like a family outing. Your dad could pick the movie, and you could pay for his ticket or his popcorn, or if you don't want to go to the movies, you can watch a movie at your house. Like, there's Netflix. Everybody loves Netflix. There's like Amazon Prime Video, there's Hulu, your regular streaming services, and there's HBO if you pay for it. You can go rent DVD at like Redbox and Blockbuster. You know what that is, kids? I'm not that old, and most kids my age don't know what that is, but I know, cause I'm cultured. And then number 10 is go out for / or make a meal. And then that's my specialty, because a lot of you know that I love to cook, like a lot. And then my dad will probably say the argument, then if you like to cook, then why don't you want to grill the dinner? But that's not the point. I love to cook and make desserts and stuff, and a lot of my friends and people, oh, it's your birthday, have a sweet treat or dinner or something. Okay, gonna cut it. Normally I wouldn't use water, but since I've never made this box cake before, yeah. Also, don't crack your eggs directly into your thing. Do as I say, not as I do. if it comes out good, I might buy a box for myself because my dad bought this one and try it with milk. Okay. Back to fast forwarding. To make things from scratch, I just tasted it, and it tastes a little bland, so I'm gonna be adding some pumpkin pie spice and some cinnamon. Oh, by the way, I didn't even mention it. I'm doing like... Oh no! Oh, it didn't even touch it. Like... pumpkin bread. So guys, like in the Mother's Day video, I'm getting my parents to try what I made, and you can lift up the thing now because they haven't seen it. Okay. So
is this okay?
Yeah, that's the pumpkin bread. Okay, now you can cut it and try it.
It's moist.
De caja.
It's moist. I like it. I think it should be good with the frosting that you do for
like
cupcakes.
The cream cheese one?
Yes. Yeah. I think it's gonna complement this.
It's missing a little sweetness.
Yes, because this is
moist.
The nutmeg or ginger. I don't know, but it has a, you know.
It doesn't have ginger, it has nutmeg.
Nutmeg. That's the one that I'm tasting.
I added some.
So you need, so I think that, you know, the frosting will complement it better.
Also, when it was already in the oven baking, I realized that it's expired.
Oh my god!
It expired May 29th.
Oh, okay.
It's not that expired.
No, it's fine.
It's not even a month.
So, you liked it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah, so the point that I'm
It's
making
the-
another piece.
Okay. I guess you got that one.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you.
Okay, so that's it. I remembered something. Okay. If I can find it, I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. I'm just gonna put the definition of virality or viral like here. And then, since I believe virality is subjective, one of my videos is going viral. What do you mean no internet connection? Now we're back after some technical difficulties. But basically, the video is the Canon XL paper comparison. And it's mixed media versus watercolor. Usually, my videos get around 100 to 120 views per. But this video knocked my previous most viewed video, which before that one was the Sailor Moon SH figure arts, which has currently a total of 330 views. And then this one topped it by double. Okay, by double. This one is at 654 views. Well, almost double. If I get 6 more views, it'll be doubled. But 654 views, 7 comments, 7 likes, and 2 dislikes. The 2 people who disliked, I get you. It's a kind of meh video. But that's not the point. Like, the screenshot will be here. I'm freaking out because, holy crap. That's not the point. This was supposed to be a Father's Day thing, and then I got carried away into showing you that I'm going quote unquote viral. Anyways guys, so that's the end of the video. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments below, what did you get your father for Father's Day? And I'm gonna get him some of this stuff. He doesn't know it yet, but have you seen my last video? It's the cleaning one. I received a couple messages asking if I'm okay, mainly from my brother. Yes, I'm fine. Just, you know. So, remember that I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!